I want to flush my toilet, I want it to go down, and I'm never going to have a problem. That kind of philosophy usually will last 5 or 10 years, and then they find out they have thousands of dollars in damages to their system.
When enough sludge and scum have accumulated in a septic tank, solids can be forced out into other parts of the system. To prevent problems, a qualified professional should clean the tank regularly.
The key issue is preventive maintenance. It is knowing what you have, educating yourself, and get qualified personnel to handle your system. It is not a homeowner, do-it-yourself type of project.
The amount of time between cleanings depends on the amount of solids entering the system and the size of the tank. For most single-family homes, septic tanks should be cleaned and inspected every 2 to 3 years. The cleaning professional should thoroughly remove all the sludge, effluent, and scum from the tank. What qualities should you look for in a professional cleaner?
You want to ensure that they have the knowledge and the experience to either maintain or fix your problem. You want to ensure that they do it legally. In other words, contact the county and or the state to ensure that there are permits on file so they know what they're talking about. Make sure they have the proper equipment and manpower to handle the task at hand. We utilize a policy: we will not drive on yards. Driving on yards can be very detrimental if you don't know the location of the system. It can compact soils and or break components of the system, pipes and tanks and those kind of things.
Effluent filters should be checked every 6 to 12 months and cleaned as needed. If the filters need more frequent cleaning, the septic tank probably also needs cleaning.
The reality of the situation is that people utilize the septic tank as a garbage can.
It's important to remember that whatever you flush down a toilet or run down a drain enters the septic system. Avoid flushing any object or substance that does not easily decompose. The following can clog the tank and increase the frequency of pumping: feminine hygiene products, non-biodegradable toilet paper, contraceptives, diapers, dental floss, cat litter, large particles of food, coffee grounds, paper towels, cigarette butts, powdered laundry detergents, lint, grease, fertilizers. These items can kill anaerobic bacteria and disrupt processes in the tank. Automatic toilet bowl cleaners, household cleaners, bleach, pesticides, paints and paint thinners, motor oil, gasoline, solvents, and pharmaceuticals. Excessive use of antibacterial soaps can also have a negative impact. Remember, your septic system is not a trash can or hazardous waste dump. Numerous septic system additives are available, and the manufacturers promote them as necessities for proper system function. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, there are no conclusive studies that show any significant benefits from using septic system additives. In fact, some additives can actually damage your system.
So general rule of thumb is if it's not biodegradable, don't put it down the drain.
Water conservation also helps to keep a septic system healthy. When too much water enters a system, it can overload the soil absorption field, creating ponds of wastewater on the ground. How can you conserve water? Fix leaky faucets and toilets. Install low-flow toilets and shower heads. Wash only full loads of clothes and dishes. Don't run water continuously when showering, brushing your teeth, or shaving. Water conservation will extend the life of a septic system and reduce the chances of system failure. Additional system maintenance tips. Use strainers over drains to help reduce the amount of hair, grease, and food entering the system. Use lint traps on washing machines. Minimize garbage disposal use. Try composting or throw food waste in the garbage. Don't plant trees around the system, especially near the soil absorption field. Keep vehicular traffic and construction off the system. Nothing larger than a riding lawnmower should be driven over the system. Divert runoff water from the lawn, roof, driveway, and basement drain away from the soil absorption field.
If you don't maintain the system, you don't take a look at it, the one thing that will be